Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I bought a brand new mannequin for my business. On today's video I'll be unboxing and assembling this mannequin. First I'll show you what I purchased and I'll show you all of the parts in this box. Dressmaking mannequin is well wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is the body, this is the head, this is the stand, and these are arms. And that's the base for the stand, which seems quite heavy, which is good, so it's going to be secure on the floor. Looks like that. Next I'll assemble my mannequin together. I'm unwrapping mannequin body, removing all of the packaging. Looks like that, looks really good quality. Next I'm unwrapping the head, removing the plug on the head neck, and I'm screwing that head on a body neck. Next I'm unwrapping the arms, both arms, looks like that. Next I'm screwing those arms on a dressmaking body, which arms are a bit stiff, which is good, so that means the arms will stay securely on the dressmaking body. These arms are removable, so I can remove them anytime when I need. Also I can change position on these arms easily, as you can see here. Next I'll assemble dressmaking mannequin stand. The stand is adjustable, so I can adjust the height on this gold stand. So I'm removing all of the packaging. And I will assemble this stand together with the stand base. The base is quite heavy, so I'm just trying to figure out how to put that together. And the stand base came with the Allen key and a screw, which is easy to assemble, as you can see here. And ta-da! My stand is ready. And last thing what I need to do is to put my mannequin on the stand. And here's my finished dressmaking mannequin. Such a gorgeous mannequin and such a good quality. The height is adjustable here on this stand. Also fingers and arms can be adjustable, as you can see. If you have any questions about this mannequin, please leave a comment. Also I'll reuse all of the bubble wrap and packaging for my online shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.